All right, good morning, sixth grade math. Good to be back with you again. We are going to do lesson 71 today, okay? And as we do lesson 71, because it is review, it's general review, I am going to work one of each type of problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to work 6 problems with you down through there. And then I'm going to turn you loose to do all of them. You're going to need to do the page 129, page 130, and then the homework for lesson 71. Okay, that's going to be your assignment. But before that, let's go ahead and give you the answers from yesterday's lesson 70. We'll give you the answers for 6 through 8, and then the homework. But I want to remind you before we do that we're going to do this lesson, and then I'm going to want you to have your parents give you test 7. Okay. After you're done with test 7, we're going to call it good for Christmas break. Okay. So I want you to do this lesson and then do test 7, and then you'll be done until after the break. Okay. So let's give you the answers to lesson 70. Lesson 70, the review number 6A is 15 and 1/4. B is 21 and 1/30. C is 360. D is 19 and 5/6. E is 508 with a remainder of 45. F is 18. G is 26/31. H is 6.31896. Okay. Number 7A, you're going to circle 17/3. B, you're going to circle 32. C, you're going to circle 17/9. D, you're going to circle 200 decimeters. E, you're going to circle 4 pounds. F, circle 3 decades. G, circle 5 hectometer or 0.5 hectometers, sorry. Letter H, 0.7604 should be circled, and I, 8 times 3 should be circled, okay? Number 8, write the prime factors. So it should be 2 squared times 3 for A. B should be 17. C should be 5 squared. D should be 2 times 5. E should be 3 times 5. And F should be 2 times 3 times 5. Now, in A and on C, where I said 2 squared, if you went 2 times 2 times 3, I'm okay with that. Okay. And in C, if you went 5 times 5, I'd be okay with that too. Okay. So number 9, where it says to round off these numbers, A, you should have 7,000 in the first column, 7,500 in the second column, and 7,490 in the third column. B, first column is 1,000, second column is 1,200, third column is 1,240. Letter C, first column is 5,000, second column is 4,800, third column is 4,830. Letter D, first column is 6,000, second column is 5,600, third column is 5,550. Letter E, first column is 9,000, second column is 8,700, and the third column is 8,710. Now we'll go to the homework for lesson 70. Homework for lesson 70. Number 1, you should have 3/5, 19/21, 1/12, and 1/5. Number 2, the first number should be 154, The second number should be 435. Okay, number 3. First number should be 30. The second number should be 27.6. Right? Number 4. Your first number should be 84%. Second number should be 96.5%. Third number should be 49%. And the last number should be 1 1/4%. Okay. Number 5 should be 168. Number 6 should be 8.75. Number 7 should be 12. Number 8 should be 104. Number 9 should be 3/5. Number 10 should be 1/6. And number 11 should be 25%. And number 12 should be 20%. Okay. Now, back to lesson 71. I'm going to do letter A in each of the 6 problems, and the rest are going to be up to you. Okay. Since it's practice, you should be able to do that. But you can watch me for letter A on each one of these. Okay. Number 1, it says write the equivalent percent. So you have 0.72 equals what percent? Okay. Well, we know to get percent where you have to move the decimal 2 places to the right. So it equals 72%. Okay. That's how you're going to do those. Number 2, letter A. Letter A, it says write the equivalent decimals. Okay, so you have 59%, and they want to know what the decimal is of that. So again, since you're going from percent to decimal, you're going to take the decimal place and move it 2 places to the left, and that's going to give you a 0.59. Okay, that's how you're going to work those. Now, it says to find the percentages in number 3. Remember, you're doing all of the rest of the problems here. I'm just doing the first ones. All right. It says find the percentages. So 63% of 580. Okay. Remember that of means times. So we're going to change this percentage to a decimal, right? So we have 0.63, and we're going to multiply 580 times that. So you're going to get 0, 4, carry the 2, 17, 0, 0, 48, carry the 4, 6 times 5 is 30, 34, 0, 4, 5, carry the 1, 6, and 3. There's 2 decimal points there, so it's going to be 365.4. Okay, there you have it. That's how you're going to do those. All right, number 4. Number 4, letter A. Number 4, letter A, says find the fractional part of the first number find the fractional part the first number is of the second. So you have 9 to 21. Well, you're going to do this, put 9 over 21. You're going to reduce. 3 goes into 9 3 times, goes into 21 7 times. So your answer is going to be 3/7. Okay, that's how you're going to work those. This is a fractional part of this. You put this over this and reduce. Okay. Right, number 5. Find the percents. 20 is what percent of 80? Okay, so it's going to be 20 over 80, right? Now we're going to reduce that. That's going to be 1/4, right? We know that 1/4 is equal to 25%, don't we? Okay, so that's how you're going to do that. Now, if you have to, you can divide this out to get to this if you want. Okay, it's going to come out to 0.25. You're going to move your decimal place 2 places to the right, and you're going to get your percentage. Okay. And the last one, the story problem. It says Bargaintown has 30% off all dresses. Find the sale price of a dress that regularly sells for $98. Okay, so you got $98 and you want the sale price when it's 30% off. Okay, $98, 30% off. Okay, now I'm going to do it probably the way they showed you in the book, and then I'm going to show you an easier way to do it, okay? So pay close attention to this. You have $98, 30% off. So I can take the 98 and multiply it by 0.3, right, which is 30%. We move the decimal point 2 places, and that's going to give me 3 times 8 is 4. 3 to 2, that's 27, 29. So $29.40, right? But that's not what the price is. That's how much the discount is. So I have to subtract this from 98. So I'm going to say 98 minus 29.4. And that's going to become 7. That's going to become 10, 6. Okay, so 60 cents. And then that's going to become 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. And 8 minus 2 is 6. So you're going to have $68.60. That's going to be the sale price, $68.60. Now, that's probably the way the book has shown you how to do it prior to this. Let me show you an easier way, okay? The easier way is if it's 30% off, 30% from 100% is what? 70%, right? So I can take 70% times the price, and that's going to give me my sale price without having to do the extra step. So I'm going to say 98 times 0.7, okay? 7 times 8 is 56. Carry the 5. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 5 is 68. And you put the decimal point in, and you have the same answer both ways, right? Okay, so there's a hard way of doing it and an easy way of doing it. You can do it whichever way you want to, because you're not going to have another one of those types of problems. Okay, I want you to finish the class practice. I want you to do the review. I want you to do the homework for lesson 71, and you can do all that. You've done all of this before. And then I want you to have your parents give you test number 7, okay? Once you are done with all of that, you are done till the end of Christmas break. You guys have a great Christmas break, and we'll see you back on January 4th. Thank you.